So in today's video, we will be discussing all the important article from part 5, that is the Union Government, till part 10, that deals with the scheduled and the tribal areas. So now let's see what does the part contains. So for part 5, it deals with Union Government, which further deals with the executive power, the parliament, the legislative power of president, the union judiciary, comptroller and auditor general of India. The part 6 deals with the state government, that is again the executive, the state legislature, the legislative power of governor, the high court and subordinate courts. Part 7 that deals with the state in part B of the first schedule, but this part is now deleted. Part 8 that deals with the union territories. You see, first central, then state, then union territories. And part 9 that deals with the 3-tier system, that is panchayat, municipal corporation and cooperative society. And part 10 that deals with the scheduled and tribal area. And after this, there will be one more part of a video that will be discussing the important article in part from part 11 till part 22. So first let's begin to get today's video. Part 5. Part 5 of Indian Constitution deals with the Union Government and covers article from Article 52 to 151. This further contains 5 divisions. They are the executive, that covers from Article 52 to 78, Parliament, that covers Article 79 to 122, legislative power of president, Article 123, the union judiciary, Article 124 to 147, and comptroller and auditor general of India, that is under Article 148 to 151. So we will be discussing each and every article, only the important one for our examination. So let's see. Articles under part 5, they are Article 72. What does this deal with? Article 72 deals with power of president to grant pardon or to suspend, remit and compute sentence in certain cases. Article 74, this deals with Council of Ministers to add and advise the President. Article 78, this is the duties of Prime Minister as respect the furnishing of information to the President. Article 110, that is 110, it defines money bills. Article 112, it deals with budget, that is annual financial statement. Article 123, as said earlier, it deals with the power of president to promulgate ordinance during recess of parliament. Article 143, this gives the power of president to consult Supreme Court. So after this comes the part 6. What is part 6? Part 6 deals with the state government and it covers the article from 152 to 237. And it has 6 divisions. The one that is general information, it is under Article 152. The executive from Article 153 to 167. The state legislature, this covers article from 168 to 212. The legislative power of governor, this is in Article 213. The High Court, this is within the Article 214 to 232. And subordinate courts from Article 233, that is 233 to 237. Let's discuss the important article under part 6. The first is Article 155. This is the appointment of governors. Under this article, the appointments of governors are done for every state. Article 161 deals with the power of governor to grant pardon or to suspend, remit and compute sentence in certain cases. Article 163, Council of Ministers to add and advise the governor. Please don't confuse it with the other article like Article 74 and 78. They are similar but not the same. One deals with the Council of Ministers to add and advise the President. Your Article 163 deals with the Council of Ministers to add and advise the Governor. Now Article 167, this is the duties of Chief Minister with regards to the furnishing of information to Governor. Article 169, abolition or creation of legislative council in state. Article 200 deals with assent to bills by Governor including reservation for President. Article 213, this is power to Governor to promulgate ordinance during recess of the state legislature. Article 226, that is 226, it gives the power of High Court to issue certain rights. After this comes the Part 7. Part 7 deals with the state in Part B of the first schedule, but now that is deleted and it is under Article 238, which is further again deleted. So after this, there's Part 8. Part 8 of Indian Constitution deals with the Union territories and covers article from 239 to 242. Important article under this part is Article 239 AA. Why AA? As under one article, if there are some other information, it goes 239 A, B, C, D, E, F till the last alphabet, that is Z, and once the Z is completed and even we have more information to add, then it again continues at AA, AB, AC and so on. So the important article under this is Article 239 AA. This is special provision with respect to Delhi, as Delhi is a union territory and state too, and even the capital of India. So after this comes the Part 9. What does Part 9 deal with? It deals with the Panchayat, that is the three-tier government of India, and covers article from 243 to 243O. And even again Part 9A and Part 9B. What is Part 9A and B? The Part 9A deals with the municipalities and covers article 243P to 243ZZ. And Part B, it deals with the cooperative society and covers article from 243ZH to 243ZT. So don't confuse Part 9, Part 9A, Part 9B. Part 9 deals with the Panchayat, Part 9A deals with the municipalities, that is municipal corporations, Part 9B deals with the cooperative society, and this all are under one article, that is Article 243, and the subparts of article are 243 to 243O, that is for Panchayat, 243P to 243ZZ, that is for municipal corporation, and 243ZH to 243ZT, it is for cooperative societies. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. What is Part 10? Part 10 of Indian Constitution deals with the scheduled and the tribal area, and it covers the article from 244 to 244A. With this, the second part of the video ends here, and we will be discussing all the important article, that is all the remaining important article, in the next video, and that shall be the last video. In that we will cover all the important part, important article, and even the important schedule of the Indian Constitution. Now let us see some previous year question from the topic. We just did it right now. So question 1, Indian Constitution is divided into how many parts? So presently Indian Constitution is divided into 25 parts. Which of the following article deals with fundamental duties? So the article that deals with fundamental duties is Article 51A. This thing we have done in the first video, so please refer to that. Money bill has been defined under which article? So like we discussed earlier, money bill has been defined in Article 110. Which article deals with budget? So the article that deals with budget is Article 112, that is 112. Which article of Indian Constitution empowers the President to appoint Comptroller and Auditor General of India, that is Article 148. Which part of Constitution emphasizes a three-tier system of panchayat? So that is under part 9. So hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exam like SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.